Ladies and gentlemen, today we gather to discuss the conservation status of certain wildlife species, specifically focusing on habitat loss and the pet trade, the two primary factors that present threats to their survival. Habitat loss and illegal trapping for the pet trade have both contributed to the decline in the population of several species, putting their existence at risk. Habitat loss is a global issue that affects many species, including tigers, elephants, and rhinos. As our land gets transformed into farms, cities, and industries, wildlife habitats are disappearing at an alarming rate. This loss of natural habitats not only puts the animals at risk, but also disrupts the delicate ecosystems that they depend on for survival. The pet trade, on the other hand, has proven to be a devastating force for many species, particularly those that are illegal or under-regulated. Trappers often use baits and traps to catch animals, often innocent bystanders, and sell them as pets. This practice not only endangers the animals themselves, but also contributes to the decline of their populations, making them more susceptible to poaching and habitat loss. In order to protect these vulnerable species, a combination of efforts must be made. International agreements and regulations need to be enforced to prevent illegal trade in wildlife and products made from them. Additionally, supporting habitat conservation and reintroduction programs can help restore dwindling populations. Furthermore, raising awareness among the public about the dangers of the pet trade and encouraging adoption of legal, exotic pets can play a significant role in protecting wildlife. By supporting conservation efforts and protecting the habitats of these species, we can work together to ensure the survival of these magnificent creatures and ecosystems they depend on.